One, two, three.
Yellow.
Bon appétit.
Yum yum.
Wow.
Elles sont juste là. Les tomates.
C'est ça les tomates? Non, c'est pas ça les tomates.
On a besoin de ça, mais qu'elles soient bien mûres, parce qu'on aura besoin pour la sauce. So we're going to use it for the sauce. Remember to mark it down, and remember after when we're gonna finish, and you are going back home, how busy it's gonna be. All the shops gonna be open.
No, it's a shame. You're not bringing a bottle.
Bienvenue.
Non, la menthe, n'importe quelle.
Oui, mais tu peux en
Oui, aussi, oui. Ou aussi utiliser les herbes aromatiques. La menthe et les herbes aromatiques qu'on a vu au marché. Three, because it's a big teapot. It's for more than 15 cups. And this is boiled water to rinse the green tea. If you don't do this step, the tea is bitter and strong. Faut toujours rincer le thé deux fois pour que ça soit pas amer. Deux fois. And there is a filter inside the teapot. So we are removing only the water and the tea still inside.
Menthe, la menthe, il y a beaucoup de menthe. Oui. La menthe fraîche. Est-ce que c'est beau? C'est très bien.
Yes, that's the secret.
On dirait
Oui.
2 cuillères. Les Marocains, les Marocains.
We make it medium sweet. Normally it's a big teapot, so we use 4 spoons.
Why do you pour from a height? Why do they pour?
The water? No, it has no reason. The water, no.
No, from a height.
For the, yeah, it has no reason for the water.
هذا finish, هذا no.
Looks good, yeah?
I mean, it's easier for her when she do it from high for the water.
نمشي نلفه 5 minutes, 5 minutes, on y va.
It is coriander you're talking about.
Yeah,
I don't like it.
It absorbs. Everyone, my mother can't. It's a thing.
Yeah, there's something to do with your taste buds,
Taste
or something,
buds.
isn't it?
If your taste buds do not fine, you cannot eat it.
No,
It's a thing.
Okay, let's leave
no,
it.
it is. It's either chalk or cheese. Isn't it?
What will happen now?
C'est pas grave, she's good at this, isn't she? Expert.
La cannelle.
Bon.
Where?
Sugar.
Gosh, this is good for you, Adam. You love a bit of sugar. Yeah.
Waterco.
Is that what's in?
No. Stop ici. Demi-cuillère, la cannelle, cinnamon, half. Là, plus.
On en met pas mal de cannelle.
La cannelle, c'est très bon sweet. Demi-cuillère, salt, half. Salt, demi-cuillère, sweet. Oui, là, monsieur. Orange glacé. Fleur d'oranger, magique.
Il y a les mêmes bouteilles aussi.
Two spoons, 2 cuillères, lemon. Oui. C'est bien. Mélange.
Very clear, yeah?
Mélange. 3 cuillères. Thé. 3 spoons. Big.
Oh my goodness.
Sweet. Good. Comme gâteau. Oui, un gyro, d'abord, un morceau de beurre. D'accord. Un morceau, un peu.
Ah oui, encore.
Ça y est. Grand cuillère.
Oui, grande
Big
cuillère. Ouais,
salt.
grande cuillère de beurre.
يلا مسيو يلا غنخليوه تيبقى نور لو فو نوار يلا
Allez, viens, monsieur.
Tu nous décaler, comme ça on ne laisse pas.
D'accord.
C'est bon. So do you know some of the spices here? Some. Which one?
Cumin,
Which one?
this one.
Yes, cumin.
Paprika.
Paprika,
Oui. Sweet paprika.
gingembre,
Curcuma, turmeric.
gingembre.
Gingembre, ginger. Gingembre.
Ah, gingembre.
Oui. Gingembre marocain.
Non, mais non.
Poivre.
Poivre, black pepper.
Is this not cinnamon?
It's a mixed spice. Not cinnamon. Cinnamon is here.
No, I'm thinking
also-
coriander.
راس الحنوت. Yes. راس الحنوت. It's this one. راس الحنوت. It's a Moroccan spice, and it's a mix of 35 spices.
How many?
35.
35.
All together, we ground them to have this one. So this is before, avant, before you ground it, after you ground it. It's the same, c'est la même chose. Hein? And all the spices, the tradition, we buy all the spices like this, and we ground them at home. C'est des épices faits à la maison, que ma tante elle prépare. Hein? Because if you buy them like from the market like this, sometimes they are exposed to the air for long weeks or long months, they lose flavor.
Ah, ok.
So you need always, if you buy spices, to leave them in like something closed for to keep it good. And this one? Ça vous connaissez? You know this one? Coriander powder. Yes. So coriander, black pepper, sweet paprika, ginger, cumin powder, curcuma, turmeric, and ras el hanout. Saffron. Yes.
Trésor.
We call it red gold.
Yeah.
Expensive.
It's expensive, yeah. It's the most expensive spice in the world. Why? Because to make 1 gram, they need 150 to 200 flour. 150 à 200 fleurs pour un seul gramme. And it's a lot of work because they can do it only with the hand.
Fingers.
Not, not with the machine. That's why it's expensive. We
Grows in
produce it
India?
in Morocco, yes,
Grows
yes.
here?
In Taliwin, yes. This is a Moroccan saffron, this one.
Yeah. I haven't seen it in any markets. Do they hide it away because it's so expensive?
Well, normally it's not exposed. It's not it shouldn't be exposed.
Right. So where do you?
Where they produce it. But all the spice shops, they have it.
Yeah.
You need just to know if it's real or fake.
Oh, okay.
That's the thing. So the real one has always two colors. One is red and one is yellow or white. If it's same color, it's not the real one. Because it's coming from the flower. So inside the flower, it's not red. Yeah, it should be different color. This one you can not fake it. Hein? Le vrai safran, il a toujours deux couleurs.
How long do you think you should keep it once you've got
Oh,
it?
it lasts for years.
Okay, because I have some at home that
You
I bought
have
26 years ago.
26 years. Well, you can open, you smell. If
I
you go
bought it in
see,
Egypt 26 years ago. And I'm
but you
still
never
do it,
use
but-
them.
Yeah, I use it, but I still That's quite a big bag.
Big bag?
There were thousands, you know.
That's not real. Probably if you look at because a big bag costs thousands of euros.
Not years ago, not as much back
It is
She's
always.
very, very wealthy.
No, I know. I just a good bargain.
But when you open, you smell. If
Yeah.
it's still smelling good,
Yeah.
you can use it.
Okay.
If it doesn't smell anything, it means you can.
gone.
Yeah. But a big bag, because normally the saffron you shouldn't buy it as a powder, but like this. When it's powder, it's not real one most of the time. And if it's not in a big bag, small, because they use the balance for the gold to wave it. It's more expensive than gold, and it was always more expensive.
How much should you pay for it here? So
A gram?
A gram.
100, 150
What?
per gram.
Dirham.
Yeah, dirham, not
Dirham.
euro. Just dirham.
I'll sell you something.
1 real gram, yeah. 1 real gram. C'est 10, 15 euros. Après, ça dépend d'où ça vient, du Maroc. Mais l'Iranien, c'est moins cher. Iranian saffron, it's cheaper. Moroccan saffron, it's more expensive than the Iranian one here.
Than the Iranian.
Yes, yes. So what's missing? For the cooking, we're gonna use 2 oil. This is sunflower or any vegetable oil without flavor. And this one, it's olive oil. We mix both because if you cook only with olive oil, it will cover the flavor of your spices. On mélange toujours l'huile d'olive et l'huile de tournesol pour que ça ne couvre pas le goût des épices. L'huile d'olive, c'est fort. Hein? This is vinegar or any vinegar you have at home, lemon juice, just for acidity, for one of the starters. And this one, it's preserved lemon, le citron confit. Preserved lemon, it's over there, behind the back. And I will show you after how you make it. Je vais vous montrer comment vous le préparez. Because it's a homemade. Yeah, I will show you all the steps. Salt. That's it. And the garlic. It was grated garlic, fresh coriander, fresh parsley. We're gonna start with the vegetarian tagine. So ladies who've been here, let's go back here. Spices. بدي اخذ ندير غير مويه. So this is what we call a tagine. Tagine is the name of this water. عطيتها سبعة خالتي كبار. زيدي اخذتي الوسط اجي الوسط.
لا لا اختي ما تنعرفش نخدمها كاين
انا نكحل الطابله بلاتي. Together. Yeah.
يلا صافي زيديو الجلاس راني ملحه
Le tagine végétarien. هذا المعلقة كله.
What is that?
يلا مدام هالف
Half the onion.
هالف يلا صافي good مدام وان
هذه كلها
قليلة هذه يلا بتجينا الدجاج فين يزعلوك ويلي الله يهديك السلمى ويلي راه دجاج هذاك بغيتي تحطي خانز لا كتر هاك شوفي شكون هنا كتر كومين وي سي كتر مسيو هذا تا نو سمعنا هذا هذا لا لا لسه وي كتر برافو كتر كتر لس وي كتر
Oh, where have you been?
وان فلات سيري مور لا مور
So
Oui.
it's other sauce.
Okay.
That looks pretty, doesn't it?
Madame, 3 sunflower, olive, 3. C'est 3.
I'll do it.
Oui, oui.
I'll do it.
Big, more. Oui, bravo. 3.
One.
Oui.
More?
C'est 3. 2, 3. C'est sûr. Ça fait good. Allemand.
Water.
Oh. Série. Série, more, good.
So this is the base for the vegetarian tagine.
Mix.
So vegetarian tagine, you can use any vegetable. Today we use this one, but any vegetable you have it at home, you can use it.
Love veg.
And if you don't have tagine at home, you can make it in a regular cooking pot.
Série.
Yeah, always with them, yes. So don't evaporate the spices.
Ça, good.
Okay.
Good. D'abord, on dirait, ils ont partagé.
So the only rule for the
ثم
vegetable,
الطاجين هكانو.
we
نجيبو
always
دايما
start
هكا تحت.
with the vegetable to the one side.
هكانو.
Always. Because everything is gonna get cooked at
نجيبو
the same time.
هكانو.
And we
دايما
will
هكا.
take this time on the top.
اوكي باش
So
يجي
carrot,
تعال.
carrot,
اوكي.
and then potato and then zucchini. Like the clock.
Yeah.
And you layer it up.
يلا سير.
Right.
ياك.
Yeah, ladies, for you, the cacao just
يلا.
start.
لا كثير والو.
Do Moroccans have meat every day, or do you
عجيات
have
قاعد تعليتو.
more vegetarian
We always
food?
have mixed.
Mixed every day.
ترنيب.
Yeah,
We don't
ترنيب.
have only veggies or meat,
هنا.
it's always vegetables and meat.
yeah.
If it's not the tagine, it will be
يلا نبدا الترنيب.
Turn
And
it.
you eat all meat, beef.
Yeah. I mean, depends on people.
Okay.
But we eat everything.
Lamb.
except pork.
Yeah, pork.
لا بوتيتو.
Except pork. Yeah, fish, lamb, beef.
صافي نديرو دابا بوتيتو.
Yeah.
What about like couscous and stuff like that?
Mm.
Lots of legumes.
يلا
and
بوتيتو.
stuff.
يلا هكا.
Couscous or
What's the question?
like
Do you always have couscous?
or rice.
Only bread.
Only
With
bread.
the food, we
Yeah.
have bread.
Yeah.
Couscous, we have it as a main dish.
As a main dish?
Yes, only.
Oh,
No,
not as a
no,
side.
not with the tagine. No,
No,
never
no,
with the tagine. When we have couscous, it's cooked couscous with vegetables and
Vegetables
meat.
and mix.
In
Right.
different spot, not in the tagine.
Because in the UK,
We have couscous.
they mix it in often, don't they?
Yeah, you have couscous and tagine.
And tagine.
Yeah, but not.
نديرو
Not here.
Maybe in the touristic restaurants.
Yeah,
but
this is
it's
bus
not-
chicken.
Yeah,
it's
because last
not-
time I ordered tagine,
Spicy.
I said, does it come with
Sweet.
couscous? He said, no.
Ah, yeah, like what? Exactly. Always with the bread.
Yeah.
Bread.
That's good. Not much choice.
Yeah, but I ordered a side of rice and
They're not going to say we want some vegetables.
So you don't mix it. You
If you are tired, you can anytime go to sleep. If you are tired.
يلا نديرو.
Chunks of it.
يلا سير. كيف مدام؟
Yes, but sweet.
in Morocco, do men cook?
Pretty.
Men cook as well?
Depends on the family. Yeah. If they know how to cook, they cook.
Is this chili?
My family men cook. And they are,
Yeah.
Pepper. Just
and they are good. They cook. They are not good.
That looks so pretty.
doesn't it?
And then we have some specialties for men, like tangia, barbecues, and everything. It's men who make them. Most of the time, men.
What is tangier?
It's a different sport.
نديرو
It's like
هكا.
that.
باش يشوفوا
Vase.
تنجرو هالف تنجرو فور
Vase shape.
تنجرو 6 تنجرو 8
It's an amphora.
Like this.
فلاور
Okay.
Size here. I will
Now.
show you.
It's very
It's
good.
behind the back.
Delicious.
You see? The one in the back?
Oh, okay, yes. This is
Tajia.
Tajia.
Tangia. La tangia. La tangia, c'est pas comme les tagines.
Did
C'est
you have
cuit
a
à
cocktail?
blanc, avec d'autres épices. Oui.
Very
Oh,
nice.
c'est très bon.
I should
Avec
come
beaucoup de
with you.
citron, confit, c'est bon.
Tonight.
And the roll in the plastic.
Yeah.
Tangia.
Ah, ciao mamma. Big mama. Abuela.
نديرو
Okay, the film. There is a movie called Big Mama.
نديرو الصوت
No, no. For experience.
نديرو
Big
بلاك
experience.
بيبر
Just kidding.
صوت بلاك بيبر وي صايي نديرو وتر سي يلا جا هذا تيجي راقي الاخر تيجي محلول بلا
The
معنى
water, you need to add it when you can see it. This is how you
Water هكا no.
to don't get burned.
غير هنا
Oh, at the edges.
باش يبقاو لي
If
زيت
anytime you see it's low, the water is low, you have to add it to don't break it. Faut toujours ouvrir le tagine, voir s'il manque de choses, il faut rajouter pour que ça brûle.
هانتوما وتر هنا اوكي
Okay.
هنا نو هنا باش يلا يطبخ صافي دابا قلت